and welcome back to Scale Me Down and to the third instalment in our Sonic Binary first person view adventure. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel. And since the last episode we've made some changes. We found it difficult to perceive the height from the pilot's point of view, so we've added telemetry and a variometer that reads the height out at intervals from the pilot's transmitter. We've also improved the head tracker, including a head tracking unit built from an Arduino Nano BLE. And finally we've changed the aerials for better ones on the goggles and the drone. Let's see how it does. In short, these changes that we've made have transformed the experience. Although both of us have been flying model aeroplanes for many years, it's taking us some practice to work together to get some stable shots. The DIY Arduino Nano head tracker has completely eliminated all the drifting issues. It's very simple to put together with just a few components to solder, and the programming is very simple. Also, the tactile centering button is easier to find when you're wearing the goggles. The height telemetry avoids the pilot from drifting into the ground, which of course makes the spotter's job less stressful. The wide speed range of this first-person view aircraft should make it a valuable addition to our camera gear for the channel. And with practice, we hope to take much smoother and tighter shots of the target aircraft. We've also been experimenting with the pilot flying smoothly behind the target aeroplane, traditionally line of sight, whilst the camera operator uses the head tracker and goggles to point the camera. This works well, but we really need to replace the pan servo for one that actually moves through 180 degrees. Stay tuned to the channel and you might spot one or two air-to-air shots made using this equipment. But also, ScaleMeDown has invested in a bit more tech to get some exciting footage for our viewers. Although our Sonic Binary has an enormous speed range, it doesn't fly slow enough for some of our very slow aircraft, such as the autogyros and indoor flyers. So instead we've invested in this DJI Mini2 for the job. This is a brilliant bit of kit. It's very stable and very easy to fly. However, it is still taking some time and practice to get some smooth shots. It also lacks any audio recording, but with careful editing and alongside our main 4K camera, it should prove a useful addition to the team. I shall leave you with some that we took recently, and thanks for watching. We'll see you here next time at Scale Me Down.